Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning. How are you today? Okay, I want to introduce myself. My name is Aulia Putri from SMPN1 Merakurak. Today, I want to tell you a story about the smartest parrot. Check it out. The smartest parrot. Once upon a time, a man had a wonderful parrot. There was no other parrot like it. The parrot could say every word except one word. The parrot would not say the name of the place where it was born. The name of the place was Katano. The man felt excited having the smartest parrot, but he could not understand why the parrot would not say Katano. The man tried to teach the bird to say Katano. However, the bird kept not saying the word. At the first, the man was very nice to the bird, but then he got very angry. "You stupid bird!" pointed the man to the bird. "Why can't you say the word? Say Katano, or I will kill you." The man said angrily. Although he tried hard to teach, the bird would not say it. The man got so very angry and shouted the bird over and over. "Say Katano, or I will kill you." The bird kept not saying the word of Katano. One day, after he had been trying so many times to make the bird say Katano, the man got so very angry. He not would bear it. He picked the bird and threw it into the chicken house. There were 4 old chickens for the next dinner. "You are as stupid as the chickens. Just stay with them," said the man angrily. Then he continued to humble. "You know, I will cut the chicken for my meal. Next, it will be your turn. I will eat you too, stupid parrot." After that, he left the chicken house. The next day, the man came back to the chicken house. He opened the door and was very surprised. He not believed what he saw at the chicken house. There were 3 dead chickens on the floor. At the moment, the parrot was standing proudly and screaming for the last old chicken. "Say Katano, or I will kill you." Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.